Okay, Muslim League. I have already told you how Britishers used divide and rule policy. Means they wanted to create fight between Hindus and Muslims so that they could take advantage of this conflict. So Viceroy Lord Minto and Indian Viceroy Diwan, what they both together did, they planned to crush the Indian nationalism. They knew that if Hindus and Muslims will be standing together, they can't fight against them. The fight would be stronger. So they wanted to bring fight between Hindus and Muslims. So this, what they did, they started favoring upper class Muslims. So English actually became successful in convincing Muslims to have a separate Muslim organization and to demand for separate voting rights and separate voting centers. They wanted to differentiate between Hindus and Muslims. So when the religious head of Muslims had this concept that they should have a different organization. They played an important role in establishing one. So the personal minister Dunlop Smith was the one who played an important role in establishment of this organization. And what they did, Britishers, they actually made the annual conference of Congress and annual conference of Muslim League on the same date, so that Muslims could not attend the annual conference of Congress. So it is not said, as it is said that Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the father, real creator of Pakistan, but it is not actually true. Who was? It was Minto. It was his cruel ideas that made Hindus and Muslims conflicts, which resulted in the division of India. Now, birth and development of extreme revolutionary movement. So, revolutionary activity in India was started by Vasudev Balwant Patke and other revolutionaries like Veer Savarkar, Khudirram Bose, Praful Chakki, Ram Prasad Bismil, etc. all started the torch of nationalism. They trained youth in making and using weapons, so that the youth who knows how to make weapons. Okay, this what happened was the youth who started training in making and using weapons were a constant threat for English government. Okay, then French revolutionary movement began in India and it also spread to other countries. And the circumstances in its background were the cancellation of partition of Bengal. In the previous video we have seen how they partitioned Bengal into two parts. And the partition of two groups, Jahal radicals and Mawal moderates, at the Congress conference in Surat, and the traffic opposition to practice of Congress of making only revolution and request. Actually, under Congress, what happened was some believed in fighting for freedom and some believed for making resolutions and requesting the British government. But so what they did, they had two groups, Jahal and Mawal. And Lal Bal Pal means Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal and Lala Lajpat Rai. They were the one who, this trio, these three people adopted the radical attitude, which brought a new life in the young Indian activists. So this three trio, what they believed that they should fight for the freedom. That was their birthright. So they inspired the Indian youth in the nationalist struggle. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak declared it firmly, freedom is my birthright and I will achieve it anyhow. Means freedom is my birthright, and whatever consequences he was ready to pay, but he wants to achieve it anyhow. So what was his main agenda? That he would give up his life, he would do anything in order to attain freedom, which gave a stroke of inspiration to Indian youth to undertake activities for freedom. Okay. So different revolutionary movements were happening, like they were creating Mitra Mela Society, Abhinav Bharat Samaj. These were some activities that were happening in the background under the revolutionary activities. And 34 revolutionaries were prosecuted in Alipur massacre. Means 34 revolutionaries were killed. Then that Kakori loot case, Lahore massacre, and dropping of bomb on Central Parliament took place. So we will study about this. I guess you have already studied this in your previous chapters. So in Howrah massacre, Dhaka massacre, and even attempt to kill Lord Hanraj by throwing a bomb, and even a bomb was dropped on Viceroy Minto outside Raipur Darwaza in Ahmedabad. These all are the examples of revolutionary movements happened at that time. Okay, now rest we will see in the next week. Thank you.